If you want to impress your friends and relatives with a lovely starter, watch this video till the end and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for such interesting recipe. So without wasting any time, let's get started. I have party at home today and I didn't want to go for sandwiches because it becomes boring after some time to make sandwiches every time. I'm trying a starter that will be easy. It will look good and I'm sure it will taste great. So first we need to just roll the bread lightly. Make sure that you have taken sandwich bread because we need to stuff this bread. So bigger the bread, better for you. I'm rolling it softly couple of times. Make sure that you're getting fresh bread or else your bread might break when you try to roll it. Now slowly fold it from here. Take a toothpick and place it. So that's how we'll get this fold. We'll need one more toothpick to hold its shape. Like this. I'm placing them in a baking tray and I'm going to do an oil brush. I'm taking olive oil. Next I'm adding dried oregano powder, pizza herb, and give this a good mix. Now brush your bread with oil mixture. I have brushed all the breads and these are going to go to oven for baking. I'm keeping this in the oven in toast mode for around 6 to 8 minutes. I've taken breads out of oven and I'm removing the toothpicks, stuffing my chicken sausage here. I've taken a pan and I've drizzled little oil and I'm frying these chicken sausages. It's going to take a couple of minutes for me to fry these sausages. And if you're a vegetarian, you can use paneer, you can use soya for the stuffing. In the comment box, don't forget to mention from where you're watching this recipe. So comment box में लिखना ना भूलिए कि आप ये रेसिपी कहाँ से देख रहे हैं ताकि हम आपको थैंक यू कह सकें. Sausages are ready and now I'm going to make the filling sauce. I'm taking cheddar cheese. You can take any cheese of your choice. 3 crushed garlic. 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Little mixed herbs. And give all of this a good mix. Now these are mixed properly. Now I'm going to slit the sausages like this. As you can see, I have cut the sausages half, so let's start filling. First we're going to stuff the cheese mix here in the front. On this side. Now take this bread piece on which we have added cheese, take a sausage and slowly place this inside. Like this. Next take coriander leaves and place it here next to the sausage. Next, we're going to add some mustard sauce. On the opposite of mustard sauce, I'm going to add some tomato ketchup. I'm garnishing it with olive. Black olive. You can use green olive as well. This is an excellent party dish. So please, in your next party for your guest, prepare this dish and I'm sure everyone will love this. Thank you for watching today's recipe, and please come back next Friday for another interesting recipe, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.